subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
मेरी मॉम ने मुझे एक चीज़ सिखाई है गीता में एक सार है which says कर्म करो फल की इच्छा मत करो. So my job as an actor is when people have put in that kind of faith in me as a performer, I want to deliver that with earnesty, with honesty and 100% commitment.
But it is still something that is churning out and being able to showcase different scenarios that we would have not seen 10 years ago.
एक ऐसा कोर्टरूम ड्रामा जहाँ पर तारीख पे तारीख का तो पता नहीं, पर एक मैड लॉयर सीजन्स पे सीजन जरूर ला रही है. So we have with us the team of Illegal Season 3.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank
Welcome
you,
to India
Divya.
Forums.
Thank you.
So starting with, of course, you are back for the third season. You're joining now. So how does that feel for you to coming back and for you to start afresh?
We've been talking about a simple thing that I feel इतने सारे shows नहीं है जिसका तीसरा season आता है. तो I'm obviously very grateful and I feel this is only possible if our show gets the love from people and they want to see it. तभी channel green light करते हैं और हमारे producers आगे show बनाते हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो audience का बहुत शुक्रिया कि उन्होंने पहले 2 seasons को appreciate किया है, तभी season 3 बना है. So that was one. And of course I'm very excited because इस बार इस season में we see a new side of Niharika, you know.
Yeah.
Which I don't know how people will perceive, but she goes into the darker side,
Yeah.
and we get to explore a brand new side to her character. So I feel it's her journey now in season 3, where we see 3 very interesting cases. One of which is Neil's track, where Neil's track comes
Yeah.
in, and I feel it's a beautiful track. Interesting, very interesting. Of course, I'm representing Neil on the show this time, so it's even more interesting for me to have someone like him play Dushyant's character, and I think he's brought like this breath of fresh air in season 3. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Wow. How do I match up to this? क्या बात है. For me, I had heard, of course, about Illegal Part 1, Part 2. In fact, way back when your first series, when your first season had come about, I was part of a show called Riker Case. So we had launched at the same time.
Right.
Oh yeah.
And I remember meeting at a sort of success party.
Yeah.
And Akshay was there.
Oh.
I didn't get to say hi to you at that time,
Oh.
but then Akshay was there, and we were, hanging around. And dheere, then some time went by, and then I get a call saying from Jagannath saying, "Would you be interested in checking out being part of season 3, Illegal Season 3?" I was like, "Wow!" Matlab, also business ke hisab se, if you reach season 3, it's a success already. So and with watching 1 and 2 and reading season 3 ka script and performing in it, this show is just growing from strength to strength. So I'm looking forward to season 4. Yeah,
Why not?
hopefully I'll feature in it.
So playing around the word illegal, there's instances when we talk randomly कि ये चीज illegal हो जानी चाहिए, ban हो जानी चाहिए. So if I ask you just for a fun way, कि has there something that has come to your mind, just in your random life कि this is annoying, ये illegal हो जानी चाहिए?
Yes, I think honking should be illegal.
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
Noise pollution.
And gussa. in general.
What about you?
Honking, I'll agree to,
Yeah.
because I feel like especially for creative people,
Yeah.
वो quiet बहुत पसंद है हमें. So I feel कि कुछ सोचने के लिए
Yeah.
वो अच्छा रहेगा. So I think honking also, I second that.
Talking about you too, as you said, you'll be working with him this time with the case and everything. So seeing your camaraderie, of course we've seen the trailer, but how was it on the sets? And when I ask, can you say 3 things about each other which you love, hate and tolerate?
Love, hate,
Love,
and
hate and
Tolerate.
tolerate.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know Neil that well to hate something about
Go
him.
for it. Kuch bhi.
What I love about him is he's very chill. Like he's mostly in a zen mode. He's always calm. I've never seen him getting anxious or troubled or anything on set, even if it's a tough scene. I feel like he maintains that sense of calm, which
Yeah.
is very nice as a co-actor, because I'm mostly like that. So I feel like if I have someone's energy which is not right on set, it kind of affects mine. So I think that is a big plus that Neil
Okay.
has. Something I hate, I don't know him so well to hate anything, but I feel maybe the Zen mode, because
Okay,
I feel like how can you be so Zen all the time? You know, there has to be some kind of there should be some kind
Yeah.
of excitement in something. And I mean, he's always so chill. So
Yeah.
maybe the same thing could
Yeah.
be something I hate. What was the third?
Tolerate.
Tolerate.
The Zen again.
Could be.
Neil, what about?
For Neha, I hate that she's so beautiful. I tolerate. What do I tolerate? Her beauty. And what I love is when we were working together, when we were doing our scenes, and there's a lot going on for her, as in, I mean, an actor knows how much another actor has to actually put in per day.
Yeah.
Itne lambe monologues, dialogues with technical jargon, with emotions thrown in, with also maybe the audience doesn't know this. When it's very different when you're shooting a film
Right.
or when you're shooting a series. A series per day you're shooting about 10 days of 10 pages. In a film you have a luxury of like one scene a day. So yahan pe, you gotta, and for Neha also, being the lead in the show, every working day is as hectic as the previous one. Aisa nahi hai ki chalo one bhari day and then you get 2 days relaxed. So I love just seeing how Neha would just be in the zone. Kabhi like the collar was off, then someone had to go and fix her
Yeah.
collar because she's so in that courtroom scene. We were in the courtroom for how many days?
For a while.
5 days, at least in my
Yeah,
track.
yeah.
Uske alawa, there was so much more. So I think that's what I really love about seeing an artist just do
So
what
sweet.
you got to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's true.
So Neil, talking to you, we've seen a lot of you in the OTT space where people have loved you, they've talked about it, and be it 4 more shots, this series, and many more. So when they talk about this, do you feel that you're getting that validation from them, and the space feels safe and comfortable for you?
Yeah, that's a good question, Divya. It's, I mean, I come from a theatre background.
Yeah.
Jahan pe, like we've chatted about this. You put up a play, and if it's a 200-seater auditorium or a 750-seater auditorium, you wish ke sare seats like a house full.
Right.
Sometimes that happens, and sometimes it doesn't happen. When it doesn't happen, you feel thoda upset. But this is a munch which is very different, where it is like Jio Cinema will be an app on people's phones.
Yeah.
With a fairly reasonable membership. And they themselves will tune into it and consume the content. How many episodes do we have?
8.
About 8 episodes. So, and they will watch it. Once you start watching it, you will watch it. And just like that, the dawn of OTT has made artists like me, not just actors, they're musicians, directors. It has given us a lot.
Yeah.
Abhi Filhal, it has gone like the pendulum it's gone minimal again, but it is still something that is churning out and being able to showcase different scenarios that we would have not seen 10 years ago.
That's true.
Adding to the same thing, Neha, you have been working like 3 seasons for this, and the actor is so strong. It's almost like the show is surrounded on Niharika. So do you feel empowered as an actor also? And while doing this, did you also self-validate yourself that okay, I'm doing something right, I'm on the right track with this?
यार मेरी मॉम ने मुझे एक चीज सिखाई है. गीता में एक सार है which says कर्म करो फल की इच्छा मत करो. So my job as an actor is when people have put in that kind of faith in me as a performer, I want to deliver that with earnesty, with honesty, and 100% commitment. That's all I can do.
Yeah.
Baki, I don't want to stress about what's going to happen and how people will perceive it. So that burden, when
Yeah.
you say, I don't want to take that burden off.
Okay.
oh my God, I have to do this and I have to do that. All I can do is like everybody else, do
Yeah.
my bit, and then leave it to God how this, how this is accepted by the people, how they like it. So my job is done.
Okay.
And yeah, I am grateful, of course,
Yeah.
that, I am considered to do this over and over again. So I'm really appreciative of that fact. So immense gratitude.
On a lighter note, here's a game challenge for you.
I love games.
Yeah.
They're the best part of the interview.
We should just play Ludo. It'll be a 1.5 hour interview.
A fearless reporter
Right.
locks horn with an old man with a funny wig in order to improve the situation of the country.
Oh.
I don't think you know this name.
No.
Let's not.
But
I
didn't
don't think
Taapsee
it's
Pannu
way
play
too twisted.
give some clue, na?
The fearless reporter is Anil Kapoor.
Oh, okay. This is the remake of the Kamal Hassan film, is it?
Nayak.
Nayak.
Yes.
Yes. I was close.
Yes.
And I knew you wouldn't know. this.
Khalnayak nahi.
A feisty reporter and a mourning sister fight against the system who keeps saying no one killed her.
Yeah, no one killed Jessica.
Yes.
Yeah, I've heard
He's
of that
good.
film. It's a nice
That
film.
was a great film. The Barkers.
Yes.
Yeah. He's a
No, it
fabulous
was,
director.
I was in it.
You
Yes,
were?
Yeah.
exactly. That's why I asked this.
I was. No, that was Rajkumar Gupta
Was-
directed it. Yeah.
And Dibakar did what? He produced it? No.
No.
Oh, you were in it?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry, I took his
That's
answer.
okay.
And the last one. A cynical shopkeeper sues God for his store's destruction and later he becomes one.
Isn't that OMG?
Yes. He gets it.
Not bad.
No
yeah.
bad.
Yeah.
1-1.
Thanks.
I haven't even seen it, but I know it.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you for
thanks.
chatting with us.